How to fix it looks like you have turned off permissions required X Twitter files, media permissions. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the current X app bug that stops you from posting or sending media like photos and videos. So if you've been getting that message saying, "It looks like you've turned off permissions required for this feature," don't worry. You're not alone, and I've got you covered. All right, let's dive in. First, when you see that message, it also says something about enabling files and media permissions under your app's permission settings. The confusing part? When you actually go to your app info, those permissions don't even show up, so there's nothing you can turn on or off manually. Now here's something interesting. If you use multiple X accounts or devices, you might notice that the issue only happens on one of them, while the others work perfectly fine. In some cases, though, it can affect both at the same time, which means it's definitely not a problem with your phone. So here's the good news. This isn't your fault. Many users are experiencing the exact same issue, and it's most likely a temporary glitch on X's side. There hasn't been an official announcement yet, but they're probably already working on a fix. In the meantime, here's what you can do. Instead of using the app, open your browser, Chrome, Safari, or anything you prefer. Go to x.com and log into your account. From there, you should be able to post, upload, and send media without any issues. Also, make sure your X app is updated to the latest version, because this bug will likely be fixed in an upcoming update. And that's it. For now, using X through your browser is the best temporary fix until the next patch rolls out.